Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to our versatile white shipping boxes, perfect for all your storage and shipping needs. These boxes, measuring 12 by 9 by 4 inches, come in a convenient 20-pack and are ideal for mailing or shipping small items like soaps, toys, and biscuits. Crafted from strong, high-quality 3-layer white corrugated material, these boxes ensure durability and protection for your items. Their easy-to-fold design allows you to assemble them in seconds without any additional tools, making your packaging process quick and efficient. The outer dimensions are 12 by 9 by 4 inches, while the inner dimensions are slightly smaller at 11.6 by 8.9 by 3.9 inches, providing ample space for your products. With their simple yet highly textured appearance, these boxes offer a neat and smooth finish, free from any burrs, making them perfect for adding your own label or personal DIY touch. Whether you're shipping gifts or organizing your craft supplies, these boxes are designed to meet your needs with style and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.